We have just broke ground on this fabulous and affordable 3-sided brick new construction. Features to include 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car attached garage, privacy fence and spacious living, with an open and bright living kitchen dining area. Granite tops with tiled backsplashes in kitchen and both bathrooms, ceramic tile except for the carpeted bedrooms, ceiling treatments in living, dining and master, stainless kitchen appliances, pantry, and French doors off the living area that lead to the relaxing patio. See under documents for amenties sheet and floor plan.